Okay, what is up guys, it's Lightning Sushi here, and today I'm going to show you how you can make lightning arrows. Are you ready? Yo, actually crazy. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. Okay everyone, what is up? It's me, Lightning Sushi here, back for another command block tutorial, and we're doing a lightning arrows. That's what it was. I had a mind blank for a second. And the first thing you need, real quick, is to get a command block. So what you're gonna do is give your name, then command block, real simple stuff, and you've put in your command block. Now you're gonna place it down, and this is where it gets pretty complicated. And not that complicated, but like still, you need some expertise on it. So what you're gonna do real quick is execute at. Then what you're gonna do is at E, right? Then you have this little button. It comes up with all this. You want to do type equals, then you can say arrow. Arrow. And close up the bracket. And then what you're gonna do is run. This is gonna say do this thing on the arrow and run the certain command. So I'm gonna say summon lightning. So I'm going to lightning bolt. You're gonna have to do this little thing saying around the arrow, where the arrow is, you keep on putting lightning there. And that's it. Not that hard when it comes to terms. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna put repeat and always active. And so it's saying on every arrow you use, it's gonna spawn lightning on it. So, and then you get something like this. Okay, as you may notice, have to pick it up. Otherwise it'll keep on going until it despawns. But other than that, it's really good. You may have noticed this. To get rid of that, because it's really annoying, all you have to do is slash game rule command block output, and then you want to do false. It'll just telling you the output of this command block, and when you put it to false, it doesn't show up. Yeah. So that's how you do it. Really cool, real simple, and yeah. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next command block tutorial.